Oh, do that thing. That throw, then you fly. Throw, you fly. Stupid. Let's go and do more stupid. Arm. Send it, bitch. Front flip. Side flip. Back flip.
Enough! Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best.
and it's next to a shit. What the fuck? No.
You shit, you.
No, I cannot a shit.
You drop on it, you bounce.
What the fuck? Oh my fucking god. What the fuck? I got a clean shit now, bro. That was a stupid fuck. Oh my god, I want to puke. You want shit? Nah, shit. shit.
Wait, bye.
It's just shit, okay? It's shit. Okay, it's space. How am I gonna put this inside the car?
I don't know how you wash that, man. Wow, God, you're really cheap,
Fucking funny.
You let my shit also funny.
Bro, my quad just ate shit.
Này đâu về. Quả
Fuck.
Wow, really cannot. Wow, just now you show me okay, then I saw.
Who the fuck are you to zoom in? Fuck. Alright, today's session is just a short session, and then my coming back to the YouTube after like a month of laziness. So yep, fun session with my buddy. We're heading to some tiny whoop flight later. So the next upcoming content is gonna be my KK Sabah Malaysia trip, where I first fly my 7-inch and also the maiden of the AOS UL7. And then another upcoming content will be the Betafpv Meteor 75 Pro Yes, the new one with the Matrix AIO. So I'll see you guys then. Remember to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell for all this upcoming content. See ya! Bye bye!